Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates.
How to change the display language on your Microsoft account. Open your favorite browser. Go to Microsoft.com. Click on the Sign In button at the top right corner of the page. Enter your username or email address. Click Next. Enter your password. Click Sign In. You are signed into your Microsoft account. Click on the profile picture at the top right corner of the page and select My Microsoft Account to access your account dashboard. Click on Your Info in the top menu bar. Scroll down. Now in the Language Info section, click on Display Language. Use the scroller to find your favorite language. Once you find your favorite language, click on it. Now click the Change Display Language button. Click OK to confirm. That's it. Display language has been changed on your Microsoft account. This is how you can change the display language on your Microsoft account. Thank you for watching.